if I can tell you a story about my grandfather.
Please.
His father was a shoyhet, butcher. And once, when he was a young boy, 17 or 16, they gave him money to buy a cow. So he went to another town to buy a cow. And he met two of his friends. And they say, don't buy a cow. Let's take this money and buy passage to America. America, America. Okay. The grandfather said, okay, let's go to America. So they escaped. When they came to New York, there wasn't any job that he couldn't stop on Shabbat. He had to work on Shabbat, and he wasn't very unhappy. A year later, the two friends said, there's a new business in California, movie business. Let's go to California. I said, how are we going to California? Well, by train, by burro, by carriage, whatever. Okay, what are we doing on Shabbat? On Shabbat, you have to travel. I know. He said, I'm not going because I don't want to travel on Shabbat. So he stayed in New York, and the two friends became very important in Hollywood. One was a producer, Adolf Zucker, and the other was one of the partners at the Fox, 20th Century Fox. And I always joked, because he was so religious, I'm not in Hollywood.